Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this organizing containers. Now these are usually marketed for people who want to organize their shoes, but of course as a tech influencer, these are the type of organizers I use around my studio, especially now, to keep control of all of the clutter. Now these are very easy to assemble. They do have this little magnetically attachable door that just closes like so. We're going to go over, I'm going to show you guys how to actually put one of these together. It's really simple, and how their system works for connecting multiples of these together so that they don't tip over every time you bump into one of them. All right, guys, y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, as you guys can see here, this is the packaging that these come in. It does come with this very simple little instructions that kind of walks you through it. Now, when I first assembled these, I have to admit I got a little confused because I wasn't paying attention to the tabs. And yes, I'm one of those people who have a tendency not to read the instructions until after I run into a problem. Don't be me. Don't be me, guys. Read the instructions if you need to. But overall, it's a very simple process. You're just going to open this up. So that's what we're going to do here. And you're going to get a few accessories or a few pieces that you guys can see here. So these two pieces here are going to be your side panels. The two larger pieces here are the top and bottom. And inside, you will also find your front door and the little pieces that I was talking about before that allow you to connect these two other ones of these when you're ready to get everything set up. All right, so what you want to keep track of is going to be these little channels that you see here. Each one of them have a little indentation here where it's a little cutout, and that's where the side pieces are going to lock down into those. So let me show you guys what those look like. So the side pieces have also those little indentations. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that's them right here. And this section here is going to close. So I'll show you guys how that works. So we know for a fact that this is going to go in like so. So we're just going to try and slide this in if we can. Like that. And then this piece is secured. And then we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Now keep track of this little tab right here. And what we're looking for is the side of this that has the tabs facing inward. And what I mean by these little tabs right here are facing inward, okay? We're going to pop those in. You should hear a little snap, like so. Okay, so now you have your two side walls connected. We're going to do the same with the top pieces. We're just going to snap those in place. And let's rotate this around so you guys can see here. We're going to snap the tops down like so. And then this section here just folds in on itself, right? So you're just going to fold these in. Those are going to snap closed. Then you're going to fold in the top piece, or should I say the bottom piece. It's going to snap close like so, okay? So the only thing that you're missing right now is going to be the front door. So let's put the front door on there. Okay, so here's our magnetic door. We're going to position that so that we can lock these little tabs on. Now, of course, you could stand this up on the floor, which would be the most practical way to do it. So gravity would be on your side. But I'm doing it this way so I can show you guys how to do it. All right, guys, there we go. So now we have our door attached, and that's going to close with magnets like so. All right, guys, you can see now how I'm actually using them here in the studio. This is on one of my desks. And here's how I'm using them on my second desk. So as you see, these can be excellent for, hobbyists. If you have a garage, tech area, anything that you want to be able to secure somewhat and keep organized, these are going to be some excellent little cases for you guys to take a look at. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I just want to do a quick video showing you guys how to put these plastic containers together and maybe some ideas on how to use them. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.